Hello and welcome to Topper's Town. Today's topic is Gauss Theorem, which is important topic of this chapter, and this topic is related to electric flux, charge. But before knowing this topic or before discussing this topic, you should know about another topic, that is electric flux. And without knowing that electric, you cannot understand Gauss Theorem. So let us discuss. Starting with definition, that the electric flux is the measure of the number of line of force passing through some surface held in the electric field. That is, it is the measure of number of line of force passing through uh, electric some surface or solid surface placed in the part of electric field. It means that when a solid substance is placed in the path of electric field, and the number of line of force that is passing through, and the measurement of that line of force is called electric flux. Electric flux is denoted by phi E. The scalar product E into dA is defined as electric flux through the element, where E is electric field intensity and d vector A is the area vector of a small element on the plane that is held in the path of electric field. Then the electric flux through entire surface is therefore phi E is equal to integral A vector E into d vector A, where integral E is the integral over the entire surface. You should notice one thing, that phi E is positive if the line of force point outward the surface, and negative if they are point inward the surface. Thus, electric flux linked with the surface is an electric field, may be defined as the surface integral of the electric field over that surface. In the case of closed surface, that is the surface that completely encloses a volume, the net flux through the surface is given by phi E is equal to integral vector E into d vector A. Therefore, phi E is equal to integral A E into dA cos theta is equal to E cos theta phi A dA. But integral A dA is equal to A as given before. Therefore, we get phi E is equal to EA cos theta, and if the area A is normal to the electric field, that is vector E, so theta will be 0, then phi E is equal to EA, that is electric flux is equal to electric field into total. We will go in appropriate order so that it will be very easy for you to remember all the thing, and which will help you a lot in the future, also in the examination and after examination. So first we will see what it states. It states that the electric flux through any closed charge is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by the surface. It means that in any closed surface, electric flux is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times the net charge enclosed by the surface, where phi E is electric flux and Q is the charge. So that is, we get, according to this law, we get the formula, that is phi E is equal to Q upon epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, as we have studied earlier, and this is the integral form of Gauss theorem. Before proving this derivation, we should have a look upon this diagram, where Q is the charge placed at the center O, and OP is equal to R, where P is the point surrounded by the enclosed surface ds. ds is the enclosed surface, and vector E is the electric field intensity at point P. Electric field intensity E and dA is theta, and OP is also the direction of charge. Now let us start. We know that phi E is equal to Es cos theta, where phi is E is electric flux, E is intensity of the electric field, and S is the enclosed surface, and cos theta is the angle. And electric flux for the small surface is d phi E is equal to E ds cos theta. After simplifying, we get d phi E ds, with electric flux through whole surface area is equal to integral d phi E integral E ds. After simplifying this also, we get phi E is equal to E into S, that is electric field is equal to electric field intensity into the whole surface area, which is equation 1 of this derivation. It is so simple derivation that putting the values of E and S in equation 1, we will get phi E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square into 4 pi r square. At the last, we will get phi E is equal to q upon epsilon naught, which is the formula of Gauss theorem.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.